Guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel. I'm glad to see you back, guys. We have 3 weather stations and let's destroy them today. First, let's shoot with Maxxim Cobra. I'll use my Gamo rifle 177 caliber. So let's shoot first few pellets. Maxxim Cobra against weather station. Let's shoot, guys. You ready? Let's go. Alright guys, let's see what we have. So, look. First hit, second and third one. And it seems that pellet is inside. I see pellet is here somewhere. Yeah. Guys, if you like what I'm doing, you can support me. Link you can find on description. Now let's shoot few pellets with Maxxim Mosquito. Maxxim Mosquito, guys, against weather station. Let's shoot. Oh yeah, let's see if Maxxim Mosquito did more damage. So we can see here pellet, here. So pellets are inside, but guys, we don't have exit hole. Oh, look, it tried to exit. Look, one pellet tried to exit. Oh, so we have success. Pellet went through. So let's shoot it one more time from this side. Now I'll shoot with Maxxim Cobra. I see some damage inside. Let's see. Oh yeah! We destroyed it completely. Nice guys, nice. Okay, let's move with another one. Let's see. We will be able to destroy this as well. I'll shoot with Maxxim Cobra. Let's see if this one will be able to penetrate this. It's thinner, so let's try. Seems that did more damage. Look. Oh yeah, we have clean hole, guys. So from one shot we penetrated this one. It's destroyed completely. Let's try one more time with Maxxim Mosquito. Distance, guys, 15 meters. Guys, distance 15 meters. Maxxim Mosquito against weather station Clarus. First time I hit it here, it was close to this one, so I have a clean hole here, exit one. And second time with Maxxim Mosquito I have shot it here, and we have a clean hole as well here. So we destroyed this one as well. Guys, if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, do it now, it's free. Let's grow together this channel. So now let's try this weather station. Let's see if we will be able to destroy this as well. Here we have some aluminium. This part is from aluminium. Here we have a screen. Distance what I will be shooting, it's as well 15 meters. This is my Gamo rifle, and now I will be shooting with Maxxim Cobra this weather station. You ready? Let's go! Wow, sorry guys, it was an epic moment, very nice, but camera didn't record it. So look what huge hole we did in this one. So let's try one more time. I'll try to shoot it here. We have a clean hole here, so we penetrated here as well. This is, we have, look, this is aluminium, and we penetrated this aluminium and 2 layers of plastics. So let's shoot one more time here. Now let's shoot it with Maxxim Mosquito. Let's see if we will destroy this screen again. Okay guys, so look, mosquito didn't have enough power to penetrate 2 layers and screen, but it tried. You can see here somewhere there is a pellet. Yeah, crack here, and pellet is there. Tried to go through 2 layers. Guys, did you subscribe? Not yet? Do it now. So let's try one more time to shoot. Here you can see there is a pellet. Assault tried to penetrate, broke this part as well. So guys, thank you for being with me in today's video. Subscribe, like, share, stay tuned, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.